Hey, this is Overpass Insights. My name is Eric and I make apps. Now today I want to talk about the downside of translating your apps. Alright, so today I want to answer a question that came in the other day from Pexo Legacy. Pexo Legacy says, "Hey Eric, your content is great. It really helps new developers like me. Thank you very much. One question, would you recommend uploading an app in a language first and translate it later, or would you wait until you've translated the app?" So this is a really good question. So should you do all the translation before you actually upload it, or should you wait until and just do one language? Now, I'm a big proponent of translating your apps into other languages. I saw my downloads triple when I translated in the top 10 languages, 10 or 20 languages when I first did it, and downloads tripled. It went from 1,000 a day to 3,000 a day. And countries I wouldn't even think about, like Brazil was big and Thailand was really big. So it really helped, and I always encourage developers to get it translated into other languages. And you have to think about that in the development stage so that you're using strings.xml or info.plist when you're doing the coding. Don't hard code strings in there. If you're using another framework like Corona, you might have to write your own libraries and stuff that does it, which is really easy. You're just using variables instead of strings, right? So it's important to think about at the beginning. However, there's a major downside to having translated your apps, and it's this: every time I want to change something, just like make a minor tweak or maybe add a new feature, I have to think about all those other languages that it's been done in. So let's say I'm thinking people aren't making enough purchases, so maybe the menu button, the wording is confusing, or maybe I have two buttons and I want to combine it into one button and change the label on it. That all sounds really simple from a technical point of view, but when you think about, oh, then I have to go back and get that label translated with all those translators. I could use Google Translate, but it kind of sucks, but it's just difficult. So it's almost like that first version, that's when you're going to be tweaking things. That's when you're going to be moving things. Like if you watch our live streams each week, people are showing their apps each week on the live streams, and they're changing the titles from week to week, trying different things, massaging things. They're not getting the downloads that they're hoping to get yet, so they're trying to try something new, bring in a new keyword, maybe change things a little bit. And that's going to be much easier if you're only in one language. Unless you're multilingual and you could do all the languages yourself. I'm not. There's a couple, I studied Chinese in the army, but I don't know the nuances for what would be a good thing to put on this button, right? It would just be, it's easier for me to just go out and get the translators, but this is one of the reasons why it's sluggish making changes. So my advice to you, Pexo Legacy, is make your initial changes first. Massage it, tweak it, do everything you need to do, get your user feedback, and then when you're pretty much happy with it, then go ahead and translate it into those other languages, and it'll be much, much easier for you. For the rest of you guys out there, let me know what you guys think. Have you translated your apps into other languages? And if not, why not? Because you might find that you might not be doing very well, say like in English, but maybe, like I said, I had a lot of success in Thailand for a while, and things were just popping up, and it was showing up in search in other places, and I was seeing successes there that I didn't really anticipate, but I had to wait until after I'd finalized the changes and the updates and all that kind of stuff, which comes from every project. You don't know anything until your users start using it, and that's when you're going to start changing things. So anyway, let me know what the rest of you guys think. That's it for today. I'll talk to you guys again next time.